India suffered a 30-run loss to South Africa in the first test at the Eden Gardens. After the game, my colleague Anirban spoke exclusively to CAB President Sourav Ganguly. Listen in to what he said.
आज जुड़ रहे हैं सीएबी के प्रेसिडेंट पूर्व भारतीय कप्तान सौरव गांगुली। दादा, आज इंडिया साउथ अफ्रीका के बीच में हम लोग मैच देखे। थर्ड डे था, पिच को लेकर बड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी हुई, स्पेकुलेशन था। गंभीर ने अपनी स्पेकुलेशन क्लियर किया है। क्या बताना चाहेंगे पिच कंट्रोवर्सी?
Controversy नहीं, not the best test wicket, so that's all you can say. Unfortunately, India lost. India still should have got 120. It was not the greatest of test pitches.
गंभीर ने कहा कि हम ऐसे पिच चाह रहे थे, हमने ही बोला, क्यूरेटर हेल्प किया है।
हाँ, उनकी इंस्ट्रक्शन से ही हुआ। पर मैं यही कहूँगा जो मैंने कहा अभी, I'm very fond of Gautam. He's done well for India in England in one-day cricket, in T20 cricket. He will continue for a while, but he must play on good pitches in India. He must have faith on Bumrah, Shiraz, Shami. I think Shami deserves a place in this test team. Shami is winners to win test matches for them and win test matches in 5 days, not in 3 days.
क्या लैकिंग रही भारतीय टीम की? हमने देखा शुभमन गिल का हालात चोट है, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ हमारे और भी स्टार बैटर्स हैं जिन्होंने अच्छा किया है। कहीं पे पिच के लिए या कहीं इंटेंट में कुछ गलत रहा?
देखिए, शुभमन गिल का वैक्यूम वाज अ लॉट, टॉप क्लास बैट्समैन, नंबर 4 कैप्टन। We can't bat both innings. We lost by 30 runs. पिच तो दोनों के लिए सेम था. And on these pitches, toss become very crucial. If South Africa would have got 250, it would be even harder for him. That's why I say that he must play on the wickets.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे? क्या सलाह रहेगी आगे के दिन के लिए?
जैसा मैंने कहा, they go to Guwahati and I expect a good pitch on that. Put runs up on the board and win the game. They are a very good side. One bad loss does not make them a bad team, but as I keep saying, they must be on the pitches.
But we've seen that India चारों मैच हारा नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट टेस्ट मैच में। लास्ट 6 मैच में चारों मैच हारना, और हमने देखा था कि इंडियन गार्डन्स में 117 चेज हुआ था। आप तब शायद कैप्टन थे। 2004 में साउथ अफ्रीका के खिलाफ मैच था। तो कहीं पे मेंटल कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, मेंटल एस्पेक्ट पे या टेक्निकल? क्योंकि गंभीर ने कहा कि देयर इज मेंटल टफनेस, देयर इज नो मेंटल टफनेस इन द प्लेयर्स।
No, I completely disagree. और इंग्लैंड में कैसे बना रहे हैं 400 पांच सौ? गिल ने 4 शतक बनाया, ऋषभ पंत ने शतक बनाया, राहुल ने शतक बनाया। कैसे? ऐसे दिस टाइप ऑफ विकेट्स आर अ लॉटरी, and the fast bowlers were harder to play than the spinners. So as I said, they must play on good wickets. They're a tremendous team, tremendous batting unit, and they'll win more number of games in India if they play on good pitches.
Right now, Indian cricket team coach Gautam Gambhir has admitted that they wanted this kind of pitch to play on. And that is the statement that is coming in from the press conference, the post-match press conference at Eden Gardens, Kolkata, is that he said that this is exactly the pitch we were looking for. Curator helped us a lot. It was not an unplayable wicket. And also admitted when it takes on the accountability of the Indian batters, Gautam Gambhir also admitted and said, you need to handle pressure, you need mental toughness to bat on this wicket, you need to defend the ball, defense must be solid in this wicket. And he has already given few examples like Akshar Patel, Washington Sundar and Temba Bavuma, the South African captain. He gives example of these 3 people, these 3 batters, that they had scored run, they had had a great time in the 22 years of Eden Gardens. Why not other batters fail? Why other batters were failed? That was the question that was being raised to Gautam Gambhir. And on this, he given these examples and also said that KL Rahul, Temba, Washington does defense solid. We have played in this kind of wicket before also. And he already said that we wanted to play on this wicket.